How much money do you have?
I have around $100 in my wallet right now. I usually don't carry this much, but today I made an exception.
Why are you carrying that much?
Because I'm planning to do some shopping later today, and I think it will be easier to pay in cash for most things.
What are you going to buy?
I need to buy a new pair of shoes because my old ones are getting worn out, and I also need to get some groceries for the week.
Where will you buy the shoes?
I'll probably go to the mall downtown. There are many stores there, so I can check different brands and compare prices before I decide.
Do you prefer branded shoes?
Yes, I usually buy branded shoes. They're more expensive, but they last longer and feel more comfortable for daily use.
What color are you looking for?
I'm planning to buy either black or brown shoes because those colors match almost all my clothes and are good for both work and casual wear.
How much are you willing to spend?
I've set a budget of about $60 for the shoes. I don't want to spend more than that because I still need money for groceries.
What kind of groceries are you buying?
I'll get some milk, bread, fresh vegetables, and a few snacks. I try to buy enough for the whole week so that I don't need to go back again and again.
Where will you buy the groceries?
I'll buy them from the supermarket near my house. It's close, and I trust the quality of their fruits and vegetables.
Do you always shop with cash?
Not always. Sometimes I use my debit card, especially if I don't have enough cash. It depends on how much I need to spend.
Do you also use credit cards?
Yes, I sometimes use my credit card, but only for bigger things like electronics or clothes. I don't like using it for daily shopping because it's harder to track my spending.
Do you make a shopping list?
Yes, I always write a list before I leave the house. It helps me remember what I need and keeps me from buying too many extra things.
Do you ever buy things not on your list?
Yes, sometimes I do. If I see something on sale or find a good deal, I might buy it even if it's not on the list.
Do you check prices before buying?
Yes, I usually compare prices, especially for groceries. Some items are cheaper at one store than another, so it helps me save money.
Do you use coupons?
Yes, if I have them. I often find coupons in newspapers or online, and they help me save a few dollars here and there.
Do you like shopping alone?
Yes, I prefer shopping alone. It's faster and more peaceful because I don't need to wait for anyone else or discuss every choice.
How often do you go shopping?
Usually once a week. I plan my groceries for 7 days, and I only go again if I run out of something important.
Do you ever shop online?
Yes, I sometimes shop online, but usually only for clothes or electronics. For groceries, I prefer going to the store so I can check the freshness myself.
Do you think $100 will be enough today?
Yes, I think $100 is more than enough. Shoes will cost about $60, and the groceries shouldn't be more than $35, so I still have a little money left.
When are you going shopping?
I'm planning to go this afternoon after lunch. It's usually less crowded at that time, and I can shop more comfortably.
How will you go to the mall?
I'll probably take the bus. It's cheap, and I don't need to worry about parking my car.
How long does it take by bus?
It usually takes about 20 minutes from my house to the mall.
Do you enjoy going by bus?
Yeah, I don't mind it. I can listen to music or check my phone while traveling.
Do you ever drive there?
Sometimes I do, but parking near the mall can be expensive and hard to find, so I prefer the bus.
Will you go shopping alone today?
Yes, I'll go alone today. It's easier to focus and finish quickly when I'm by myself.
Do your friends ever go shopping with you?
Yeah, sometimes they join me, especially when we want to buy clothes. It's nice to get a second opinion.
Do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, but I don't do it very often. I usually wait for sales because clothes can be expensive.
Do you like big malls or small stores?
I prefer big malls because everything is in one place. I don't need to run around to different shops in the city.
What do you usually eat when you shop at the mall?
I usually grab something simple, like a sandwich or pizza from the food court.
Do you ever shop when you're hungry?
No, I try not to. If I'm hungry, I end up buying more snacks than I actually need.
Do you use a basket or a cart for groceries?
If I buy just a few things, I use a basket. If I need many items, I take a cart.
How do you carry your shopping home?
I usually carry them in reusable bags. They are stronger and better for the environment than plastic bags.
Do you check the expiry dates on groceries?
Yes, always. I don't want to waste money on something that is already close to expiring.
Do you compare brands before buying?
Yes, I often compare. Sometimes the cheaper brand tastes just as good as the expensive one.
Do you like buying fruits?
Yes, I love fresh fruits. I usually buy apples, bananas, and sometimes grapes.
Do you check the quality of vegetables carefully?
Yes, I look at the color and freshness. I don't like vegetables that looked old or soft.
Do you buy frozen food?
Yes, sometimes. Frozen food is easy to cook when I'm busy or don't have time to prepare fresh meals.
Do you ever spend more than planned?
Yes, sometimes I do, especially if I see something interesting on sale. It's hard to resist.
Do you keep receipts after shopping?
Yes, I always keep them. If something is wrong, I can return it or check my spending later.
What will you do after shopping today?
After shopping, I'll go home, cook a simple meal, and then maybe watch a movie or relax.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.